I know last episode I said we were about to shift from financial networks to people networks. We still going there, but I'm going to postpone that for a future video because there's one more piece of the financial side you need first. Last video I explained why XRP isn't being built like a normal crypto project. It's being built like infrastructure, and infrastructure doesn't roll out overnight, gang. It rolls out in phases until one day it's everywhere. This isn't crypto versus banks. That's the wrong frame. This is technology upgrading systems, and most people miss it because they're watching price instead of watching replacement. What's good? I'm Juan, and welcome back to the Everyday Come Up. If you're trying to level up without the hype, you're in the right place. This episode is about understanding what's happening underneath everything. A lot of people see crypto and think it's some kind of rebellion. Banks versus crypto, old system versus new system, like one has to die for the other to live. But that's not how real system upgrades happen. New technology doesn't destroy everything overnight. It replaces pieces slowly until the old system becomes unnecessary. We've already seen this happen. Mail didn't disappear overnight when email showed up, but slowly, email became the default. Not because people were emotional, because it was faster, cheaper, more efficient. Blockbusting didn't die the day Netflix was created. But once streaming proved better, the outcome was already decided. This isn't about options, it's about efficiency. Right now, the global financial system still runs on infrastructure built decades ago. When money moves between countries, it doesn't move instantly. It moves through layers, intermediaries, clearinghouses, settlement delays. Not because technology can't do it better or faster, because the system hasn't been upgraded yet. And upgrading global infrastructure, that takes time, gang. This is where most people misunderstand digital assets. They think it's about replacing banks, but it's not. Banks don't disappear. They upgrade. They adopt faster rails, more efficient systems, better infrastructure. The same way businesses adopted the internet. Not because they wanted to, because they had to remain competitive. This is why I don't focus on daily price. Price is reaction. Infrastructure is foundation. When infrastructure changes, everything built on top of it changes too. And most people won't realize it until it's already normal. This isn't about getting rich overnight. This is about understanding positioning, understanding what stage we're in, and making smart moves based on reality, not emotion. Because the biggest opportunities don't look obvious in real time. But there's something important most people don't understand. The speculation phase and the infrastructure phase are two completely different stages. And in the next episode, I'm going to explain why crypto isn't dead. The speculation phase is. This channel is about understanding what's actually happening so you can move with awareness instead of reacting late. If that's the kind of perspective you value, hit that like and subscribe button because every episode builds on the last. Make smart moves, and I see you on the come up.